Okay, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to use a very good network tool called PaPing or PaPing, however you want to call it. Um, Now, normally, to check if your device is up, you just send out a ping. In this scenario, I'm just pinging one of the switches on my network. I know it's up and obviously it's reachable. I also have a router, just a little Virgin Media router that I've got. Um, if you want to see if your devices are listing on certain port numbers, you can do a PaPing. Type in the IP address and say I want to see if this is open on port, I don't know, 23 telnet. Okay, I'm sending packets and they're not getting any connection, hence the timeout. Now, you can also do different port numbers. If the port is open, you will get something back like what you can see here, some greens, and it's not actually sending ICMP like a ping does. It's actually sending a packet to connect on that port number, and if it does find a connection, then obviously you get back this response. Just a few things to mention with this tool. Make sure you put it in the right directory. At the moment, it's in the root of my C drive. So if I want to do a PaPing, which you've just seen, or even if the syntax is slightly incorrect, you're going to get a message like this. You can use the count. So if I want to do a PaPing on port 22 and I want to make sure I do it for, say, I don't know, 3 times, it will do it 3 times and then it will stop. Or you can just leave it blank and it will just be infinity. What other ones do we have? Self-explanatory, really. It's not very difficult. I wouldn't advise turning off the color because it's instantly recognizable whether you've got some kind of connectivity or not. So you can see there we've got reds and we've got greens. If I change my directory to say Windows, so CD and I want to do a PaPing to say my switch again, you're just going to get an error message like that. It doesn't mean you don't have the application installed, it just means you're in the wrong directory. Like I said, get into the right directory and it will just work perfectly fine. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to download this. It was actually shown to me by somebody who uses Linux, and it's very useful because they'll say to me, can you do this firewall request? And I'm like, oh, I've already done it. And they'll email me with a PaPing, screenshot of a PaPing, and say, look, it's actually not working. And then I can obviously look at the firewall, or I can try it myself, see if it's working or not. I think I've run over everything. Or when you do go down to install it, it will ask you. Well, you'll see loads of zip files. When you actually unzip this file, it's about 500 kilobytes or something like that. It's not very big. Hold on, let's have a look. Oh yeah, PaPing. Yeah, see, 589. It's not very big at all. Yeah, just have a go with it. And if you got any questions, just leave something in the comments and I'll aim to respond as quick as I can. Thanks.